Hello viewers, hope you all are fine and having some great fun. In this video, you are going to learn how to change negative numbers to positive in Excel. So there are two methods to change negative number to positive in Excel. First of all, we will see relatively easy method, that is, so just write formula equal and then select this cell and multiply this by -1. And you can see the number is changed into positive. Now drag this formula to remaining cell and you can see all the numbers are changed into positive. This was the first method. So we will undo this to show second method. In second method, write -1 in a blank column and then right click on it and select copy, and then select this value you want to change into positive and then right click on it and click on paste special, and here you will find option multiply. Click on this and again the above option saying all except borders. Click on this and click on OK. Now you can see all values are turned into positive and at their respective places. So this is how you can change negative numbers to positive in Excel. In the end, if this video has helped, please like and share this video and subscribe our channel. Thank you.